question. Let's learn Japanese with me. Today's letter is
Hi. Hi. You can find Hi in Ha line. Let's learn 3 words with Hi. Hikui. Hikui. Hikui is low. Repeat after me. Hikui. Takai. High. Hikui. Low. Hiku. Hiku. Hiku is to play music instruments or to pull. Repeat after me. Hiku. Ukuleleを弾く。Play the ukulele. 昼。昼 is noon. Please repeat after me. 昼。昼ごはんを食べる。Eat lunch.
Let's write hiragana.
ひ。やったー。ひ。
Let's review the lesson. Please prepare pencil and paper.
Can you read this? The answer is Hi. Then can you read this? The answer is 一つ。一つ means one.
Now it's time to write them down.
Can you write this?
Feel free to pause the video while you are writing down.
The answer is Hi. Can you write this? The answer is 人。人 means person.今日のガチャポンは飛行機。飛行機 is airplane.
You did great today. またね。Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe. See you soon.